What's happening, fam? How's everybody doing today, man? Hopefully everybody's doing well and having good days and a good weekend that's about to come up, you know what I mean? But oh, and heck, man, happy 4th of July, because I'm not gonna, it's the day before 4th of July, so happy 4th of July. Today I kind of want to do something a little bit different, man. I just want to talk to you a little bit, just to break up all of the, we've been doing quite a few installs, but I'm just trying to break it up a little bit and just take a little time to talk to you guys and update you on a few things that's going on. So let's go ahead and dig into it. So first thing I kind of want to talk about, man, is how the paint job is holding up, man. The paint job is holding up extremely well. It's doing good. It still looks good. The car don't look too good right now because it's dirty. But I'm gonna clean it up, and I might have something I might want to try out here in a little bit. So I don't know. We're gonna see what happens, but we'll do a little wash on the car, and then we'll see what's happening. But other than that, the paint is doing good. As far as everything at the job, man, yeah, man, at work, dude, everything is like super. I mean, it's super crazy right now. Change is something else, man. When you step into something new, and then you got to, do what you can to adjust things. So juggling that and being able to do some stuff at the, doing some stuff at the house with the, videos and everything has been kind of difficult, but I'm still loving it, dog. Also, man, I've been looking at the, channels, the subscriber count, and man, golly, dude, man, really, we getting there, dude. We like 9 away or something like that. Hold on, let me check it out. Let me see. Where we at here? Looking up at the studio. Woo, yeah, dog. We at 991, dude. 991. Well, that's as of now. Hopefully that changes by the time this video posts. But yeah, man. We getting there. We about to be right where we want to be, and then it's a whole new ball game at that point. But thank y'all for everybody giving me a chance, man. Subscribing to the channel, checking me out, man. I really do appreciate it, dude. Yeah. Okay, so before I get too carried away, it's something else that I want to touch on. So I was asked a question about something from another video, man, and who was that? Who's the subscriber that asked me about it? Only Great. What's happening, dog? How you doing? So I look back at the footage from that video that from us and from me installing the radiator in the car, the MoJo radiator, and based off the temps that I got before, quite a few times back then when I had that stock cooler, I was getting about like you was. I mean, probably not as high as you were getting, but then at that time when I did have it in there, the summers were not as hot as they are now. So I probably would have started seeing them go up like that. Matter of fact, I might have seen it go up to like 230. Yeah, I did. But the temps was like that. So once after getting the radiator installed in there, and the additive that I added to the coolant was called AMSOIL Coolant Boost. I'm looking at my notes, y'all. Don't think I'm just, my eyes are just wandering. No, it's not. It's called AMSOIL Coolant Boost. So I put that in there as well. But once I put that in there, some of the temps that I seen, I was seeing, the temps were like 100 degrees on the day that I took it out. Kind of checked it out. It was like 100, 102, 103. It would jump depending on what area of town I was in. But for the most part, what I usually see temp wise is about, it's crazy, dude. The triple digit weather, I would see about 192 sometimes. It'll if I'm moving, I'll see 192. But if I'm at a standstill, like in traffic, it'll be 194, 196 maybe. I have very rarely ever seen 198 or go up any higher than that. So did it improve? And actually is more efficient than the stock one? Hell yeah. But it also has caused me problems because the radiator is so big. So now I got to come up with alternative ways to install certain components, as y'all know. But having that on there, it's like a longevity mod. It's something worth getting, and it did give me some good temps. So you know what, I'm telling y'all this, but let's go over to Car MoJo and let him talk to y'all, and then y'all can see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's switch over to that. All right, y'all, this is in the Car MoJo, and now I kind of wanted to kind of hip you guys. So I'm driving, I kind of want you guys to see what I'm looking at. You know, I told y'all what it is, but I want you guys to kind of see it too. So it's about, well, right now it's showing 99 degrees out. It's because it got to look a little overcast right now, but it was right at about 100 degrees. Here, let me show you guys real quick. See right there, we're showing 99 degrees. And right now, like I'm in stop and go traffic, and my cooling temp is 194. It was just 192. I'm hoping that y'all just saw it switch like that. But like I'm at 194, and I'm sitting here just idling. Cars are warmed. It's warmed up pretty darn good. I mean, my oil temp is like at 180 degrees. So I'm still like in traffic. And you see how I'm going right now. So in traffic, you see it just dropped down to 190 once I started moving. Like I say, still 99 degrees out. Y'all can see that, 99 degrees. And I'm sitting at 92. So those are kind of what my temps looking like. I'm gonna get on the freeway here in a second, and then I'll turn you guys back on, and then I'll show y'all where I'm at or what my temps are looking like when I get on the freeway. So looking at all of that, all this traffic, but like even right now, I got to going, and that's my cooling temps right now. Now I'm slowing down, and that's what I'm looking like. So now, like I said, I'm still in traffic, completely warmed up. My oil temp then jumped up to like 200 degrees, but we're gonna work on that one. So see, we at 94. I'm in traffic. Let me show you the temp outside now. So the temp outside is 101 degrees. So we at 101 degrees outside, and my temperatures are bouncing between 194 and 192. Like I say, sometimes I get up to 196, but this is a lot of traffic that I'm in. You know, it depends. If I'm on there, it's like any higher temps outside, I'll probably see 96 at the highest. Unless I'm just really sitting standstill for a long period of time, it'll get pretty close to 200, but I haven't seen it go to 200 for quite some time since I added the radiator and that AMSOIL coolant additive. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that, you know, where I'm at, so y'all can see. So now let's go back to out of the Car MoJo. So what's going on, y'all? Back again. But so hopefully, you know, hopefully that information is good, and it kind of gives you an idea of what I'm seeing when you know, with my setup and in my area, which is freaking hot, dude. But like I said, hopefully that information helps you, and it, you know, helps you make a sound decision on whether you want to go with that one or not. You know, I'm just used to using MoJo products because I've used them in my Hondas. Whenever I did my Honda and I built that thing, I mean, when it comes to cooling, they're usually like the staple of cooling. So that's why I kind of went with them. Even when I did my intercooler, the first upgraded intercooler that I went to, I tried MoJo out because, like, I mean, I trusted them because their radiators were so good. You gotta know, they know something about cooling because it worked well. So that's why I tried them out for the intercooler. But like I said, hope that information helps, man, and hope you can make a sound decision, and appreciate the question, because I wanted to do it. I've noticed looking at my footage, I just installed it. I didn't really do a deep dive into my temps and all of that stuff. That was one of my earlier videos, but you gave me the opportunity to touch back on that and fix that issue. So appreciate it, dog. All right, so now other updates for the channel. So I think I have what I want to do, or what I want to get completed by the end of the year. So by the end of this year, what I would like to have completed is the flex fuel thing. Because like for me, it's so hot right now. I don't want to wait. I don't want to get the car tuned in like the heart of summer like I did the first time I got the car tuned. Mind you, the car runs excellent. I had zero issues with the tune that I got from Cosmic Motorsports, man. Them guys really hooked it up. Everything works, had no issues, man. Everything's good, man. Really. So only thing is, I think I would have saw better numbers if I would have, waited until it was cool outside to get a tune. But I did that. This go around, I kind of want to wait till it gets a little bit cooler. Car will be running a little bit more efficient, and then, you know what I mean? So that's kind of why I want to wait. So by the end of the year, I would like to have the tune done, or the flex fuel kit installed and tuned and all of that stuff. And speaking on that, I took the time to reach out to Cobb. So I reached out to Cobb and I sent him an email. They got a little question on there. Hell, if you look at that flex fuel kit on the, if you go scroll down to the bottom to the questions, you'll see, I'm gonna put like a screenshot of it on somewhere on the screen. But I asked him a question about installing it, and if you can install it, and and then will the car be all right, until I get it tuned. And the answer I got back was pretty cool. He said, yeah, man, just don't, what they're telling me is don't connect the harness. You can hook everything up, put the sensor in, all of that stuff, but just don't connect that harness. And then and the car still ride the way it's always driven, and you'll be good to go. And then you can drive over to whoever tuner that you go to, and then you can connect that harness, and then they can do whatever they got to do. So we're gonna test that out, because I like I said, a lot of stuff I want to do it myself, really, because I don't trust nobody. But like now I do trust them because they did excellent work. But me, I just like doing stuff myself the way then if I have an issue, it makes it easier for me to go in there. Okay, well, I did this, and this. I put it in so I can figure out how to fix whatever could be wrong. And it gives me points of opportunity where I could check. Or I know what points I need to go to hey, it could be this, or it could be that. So that, and I just, like I say, I like the satisfaction of being able to say I did it myself. So I do plan on buying that kit and ordering it myself to try, like I say, to save some money. If I install all of that stuff and all they got to do is tune it, all I got to do is pay for the tune. That's that much less money that I have to worry about. So that's the plan, is for me to get that kit. But still, there's a few other things I got to get while I'm saving to get that kit. Some other install that has to happen as well to support that, that tuning session that I want to have for that. So that's kind of what I want to tell you guys, give you guys an update on that. I'm not really trying to take up too much of your time today, but man, I just wanted to run that by you guys, man, give you an update on what's going on with the channel, and just, break up the installs a little bit. I got a few more things coming out. I'm still gonna do the oil cooler, but it'd be just my luck. I'm thinking, like last time when I did pull all that oil cooler stuff off, I didn't get any coolant in the system. It'd be just my luck. It'll happen. So I have to order an oil and all of that stuff. And I'm trying to, like I said, I've been trying to drive the car like crazy just so I can run the miles up on it, so I can get more oil and do another oil change on it. I'd rather do it that way for me. I feel like that's safer. Take an oil cooler off. I want to put everything else back on there brand new, and I just don't want to waste the money. So I'm just putting miles on it. But it is coming. I got a few things I could do before that while I'm trying to run my miles up so I can do it. But again, man, appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for 991 subscribers. Hopefully it's more than that by the time this video publishes. But we getting there, man, and I wouldn't be here without y'all, man. So I really appreciate y'all supporting me, giving me an opportunity to entertain and possibly teach you something, man. That's freaking awesome. Man, y'all she was just like the subscriber's name, man. Y'all are just only great. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all, man. Thank you for your time, man. And we'll get back into some installs, and let's get it popping, y'all. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and hit all so you get notified whenever y'all put out a video. And until that next video, fam, peace.